How to get a random number between a float range. Rand range start, stop, only takes integer arguments. So how would I get a random number between two float values?
Use random.uniforma, b.
If you want to generate a random float with n digits to the right of point, you can make this. The second argument is the number of decimals.
Random.uniforma, b, appears to be what you're looking for. From the docs. Return a random floating point number in such that a less than equals and less than equals b for a less than equals b and b less than equals and less than equals a for b less than a. See here.
From my experience dealing with Python, I can only say that the random function can help in generating random float numbers. Take the example below. The two sets of code generates random float numbers. You can try experimenting with it to give you what you want.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.